Welcome everybody to Cooking with Poppy. Today we are going to be making scrambled eggs for breakfast. And the key to making really good scrambled eggs is having everything prepped ahead of time. Your eggs, your plate, have your butter out already. I've got my pan on, so let's get some oil in it and get it heated up. And for right now, we're only going to season it with some cracked black pepper. And maybe just a little bit more. Let's get these eggs mixed up a little bit and go ahead and put them in the pan. Okay, as soon as we get the eggs into the pan, we need to keep stirring. Let's pull it off the heat, give it a little stir. The key to really soft scrambled eggs is keep the eggs moving. We need to make sure that the yolks and the whites are finished at the same time. So we need to really keep an eye on what's not cooking and what is. Keep those eggs moving. A little more heat. Pull it off the heat. Keep stirring. Let's give it just a pinch of salt. Not much. And again, keep those eggs moving. Pull it up off the heat. Keep stirring. Okay, make sure everything's mixed up really well. You don't want some white and some yolk. You want it all mixed together. And back onto the heat for just a little bit. We have a quick second. What came first, chicken or the egg, girls?
Oh, Poppy.
I guess you're right. We're kind of busy. No time for yolks now. Okay, let's throw in about a half a tablespoon of butter. We're going to let that melt in. These are going to be very soft, very buttery eggs. Just keep everything moving so the eggs don't get dried out. That's the worst, dried out scrambled eggs. Getting pretty close. Just remember, as soon as they're ready, let's pull them off the heat and take them out of the pan so they don't dry out. And it looks like these eggs are just about right. Let's go ahead and get them out of the pan so they don't dry out. And we're going to go ahead and garnish with some freshly chopped chives. And it's time for breakfast. And there you go. Nice, soft, buttery, scrambled eggs for breakfast. It doesn't get much better. Nothing left to do but give them a taste. Perfect. Nice and soft. Okay, please leave a comment. Tell me what you think of the video. Thanks for coming, everybody. And as always,
Like and subscribe.